How to activate Bench Boost in FPL. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can activate Bench Boost in FPL. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to open up FPL application in your mobile device and make sure that you're signing into your account. So here, activating the Bench Boost chip in Fantasy Premier League will allow you to score points from all the 15 players in your squad for game week instead of just starting with 11. So in order to activate your Bench Boost, once you're here, tap on Fantasy option from the menu bar at the bottom. So once you're under the Fantasy option, tap on Pick Team here. So once you're here, if you navigate at the top left, there is a chip that says Bench Boost. So you have to tap on Bench Boost and then confirm when prompted. Now the chip is activated for the current game week and all the 15 players will score the points. So that's it. That's how you can activate Bench Boost in FPL application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.